Can you kiss me? Kiss me. Are you scared? Are you scared? Don't scared.
My mom said I'm not allowed to kiss girls. I'm too young.
Okay.
Not scared. I'm just too young.
Yes, you're so young. So that's why I'm here to guide you in the right way to be
Oh, really?
miracle mother. Ano tawag?
Like a
Miracle.
teacher?
Miracle mother. Ano English ng ano? Parang ay gagabayan kita bilang ano? Ako yung pangsamantala mong magulang. I am your miracle mother and I can guide you in the right way. Do not go to the overpass.
What? Be a good mother?
Are you Rocky Road? You're not stay in your put station. You're not contented your place. Stay put.
I am Rocky Road. I am. Do you have a younger sister?
No, I don't have a younger sister. I have a Nipo. Nipo. You know Nipo? My pamangkin, Nipo.
You have a what?
Nipo.
My.
Can you blink your eyes? Blink to me. Oh, blink. Well, like that. I'm very attractive. I'm craving you. I'm craving you. I'm Rose, okay? I'm Rose and you're Jack. Jack.
I'm the Titanic.
Yes, Titanic. No, don't.
I'm the ship.
Don't. That is not the sound of the boat. Like that.
I'm the
Ano lang tayo, sakayan. Jack. Ako si Rose. Rose Ann.
No, I'm
Jack.
the boat. I've never seen this movie.
Why? Do you not see the movie?
My neck hurt. My neck is Rocky Road.
Oh my God. Don't stamp your hand. Don't stamp. Oh, I told you. You stay put in your place.
My neck is Rocky Road.
Oh, you stamp. You stamp your neck. You stamp. You can go your greeter. The unan. Ano English ng ano English ng unan? Unan. Huwag na lang yan. Parang mahirap. Yes, the pilot. Yes.
Pilo?
Yes.
Yes, I have new haircut.
Yes.
So,
I like your new haircut. That is the normal color? Ah, very nice. Really? Do you happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy for you.
Kiss me with plema.
I told you I'm too young. My mom says no.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Thank you for.
You pushing
Thank
the
you for.
boundaries.
Yes, sorry. We have a boundary. Okay.
2 steps back. 2 steps back.
Yeah. Do you want? We. Or do you with you? I can cutting. I can cutting your hair. I can cut your hair. Like that. Okay?
Again? I just got a haircut yesterday.
Yes. I can, if you choose sensor or schooler. Ano yung isa? Anong tawag ng isa yun? Schooler?
Scissor?
Yes.